I don't have the banner. I have the flag.
Nti eno enkofiira si y'amagye, eno enkofiira tujambala nga aba people power, era tujambala nga akabonero akawakanya okunyigirizibwa, akawakanya efuga bbi, akawakanya obwennekyemalira, era akabonero akayayanira enkyukakyuka. So tebabatiisatiisa bwe yambala eno enkofiira oba tolina musango gwokoze. Mujja kimanya nti Museveni ye obutiitiizi bw'alina takyebaka, akeera ku makya n'agamba kati mbayimiriza ntya aba people power, kubanga we bagamba tosobola kuyimiriza kirowoozo nga kiguddeyo mu kiseera kyakyo kyennyini. Munajjukira gye buvuddeko yagezaako okulemesa Honorable Kyagulanyi n'abakulembeze ba people power abamu okugenda mu bitundu ebimu nga Karamoja oba n'okugenda mu mikolo, naye nga yeerabidde nti people power si yeffe, si yenze ate si be bano bokka be tuli nabo, wabula people power yenjogera oba yendowooza ekiikirira bannayuganda bonna abakoye okunyigirizibwa abaagala enkyukakyuka. Kale nno mu mulundi guno okugezaako okutuyimiriza okwambala enkofiira eno, twagala okukunga bannayuganda bonna batwegatteko, Museveni ne gavumenti ye tubibatamye, tubakunga mwambale buli nkofiira emmyufu gye mutuukako, buli lugoye olumyufu lwe mutuukako. Bangi nnyo betuyitako baagala sitayire eno, naye tubakunga ti naayina topi eya bulijjo, naayina akakofiira bwe kati nga Chairman Nyanzi, naayina enkofiira ng'eno eya President Museveni, muzambale zonna kasiteba nga myufu, akatambaala bwe maama akola mu katale kasibe, gwesa muswabu musiraamu nga tolina bwono yambala bere kuba entalabuuse myufu, gwe maama ali mu katale ng'oyagala kwesiba katambaala weesibe kamyufu, ayambala t-shirt yambala myufu. Tumyuse eggwanga lyonna, n'owa boda boda ayina helmet naye funa helmet myufu. Twegatte ffenna nga bannayuganda tutamye Museveni eneeyisa eyo, tumutamye okuvaayo okuwera ennyambala yaffe, kuba tumanyi tetuba na musango gwe tukoze. Kino bwe tunaakikola kijja kwongera bannayuganda bonna amaanyi. Tulina n'enteekateeka nga ttiimu gye tuli mu kwogerako, gye bujja tujja kuvaayo tubategeeza olunaku. Ladies and gentlemen, once again we welcome you to this presser. Joel has more or less put everything in his communication. I just want to emphasize his words that this is not a UPDF beret. This is a people power beret. We know that President Museveni is using all institutions to abuse and break the law. And this is evident in everything that he does. Now he's doing ridiculous things, but we all know that this is panic. The panic after realizing that Ugandans are actually eye-opened. So we want to encourage all of you to continue wearing the red beret, because this is not a UPDF gear. Please don't put on the army cap. Just put on the people power beret. And also, this also gives us opportunity to encourage other people that were not wearing berets. You see, back in time when President Museveni heard about Kyagulanyi and some other young men and women that we work with, he tried to block us from accessing other parts of the country, thinking that people power is us. People power is not me. People power is not just us. People power is the millions upon millions of Ugandans that want change. In the same way, he is trying to block people from wearing the beret. He thinks it's about the beret. It is not. This is a symbolization of the desire for change, but not everybody is wearing the beret. As you can see, the Honorable Mbwate Kama has the Museveni hat, but in a people power style. As you can see, Chairman Nyanzi and a few other comrades that don't have the beret use what they have to communicate what they want to communicate. So please go ahead, even if you're not putting on a beret, put on anything red, put on any red top that you have, because people will get the communication. We want to communicate without causing any chaos, without fighting with anybody. So if you're out there, we know that many of our people, one, don't have access to the berets, and two, some of them are actually intimidated. So we want to encourage you to use any possible means to communicate. Now, Museveni and his regime has more other options. So if you have a red hat, if you have a red baseball, if you have a red katambala, please put on that red. We will actually soon, we're discussing with the team, we'll soon come out to announce a day when we will all be wearing red all over the country, because we want to kumotamia this kind of thing that is trying to do. You'll assist me with the kutamia part in English.
It's called tamiation.
Yes, we want to do tamiation. So put on anything red that you can access, be it a beret, be it a hat, be it a bandana, be it a headgear, anything that you can wear, not only on your head but on your body. Let us be red. Let us make them regret ever trying to stop us from dressing the way we want to dress.